So we will now see how to get jars. Okay, yeah. So basically jar stands for Java archive. Okay, so jar stands for Java archive. Jar. Okay, so jar have packages. So jar have many packages. Okay, jar consists of packages. So we are actually working on Java, so we will download Java jars. Okay, so they consist of packages. Okay, in packages we do have classes. So we do have so many classes. Okay, now our class will have properties, constructor method, and general method. So our class will consist of three things: properties, constructor method, and general method. And don't forget that these three optional. Maybe it will consist, maybe it will not consist. Okay, class will be empty also. Okay, so this three will be optional in class.